water.
Yeah, that's why you don't go hard on it. You're supposed to dust areas like that. Further back. Yeah, it's too watery. Oh my god. ¿Tú quieres que te enseñe a pintar, maricón? Hey, look this side over here.
Show me, please, show me.
I got it.
You got it. Look how watery that shit. That's why that shit's not drying and sticking on it, bro. It's too heavy. Farther back.
By the look of it.
That's it. Wow.
And later I'm gonna get the white body from this bucket.
Man, it's crazy how each time on the cameras, bro, she looks brand new.
It looks mint, but in fucking person it looks caca.
Man.
I think it's like one of the best videos you ever did, though, I'll tell you that.
Way better than that purple.
No, I did way better on the first, the EK. Remember the EK? And the Del Sol, it was gold. Those two.
Del Sol, the gold one?
Yeah.
She was ugly, honestly. She was all rough and shit.
Don't fuck with me. Yeah, I was cutting that shit like 11 o'clock at night. And I'm like, damn, I'm making mad noise.
This dude isn't doing a good job recording, so let me see. He put sparkles on it, or glitter, whatever. You want to see if you can see it here. Damn, you can't see shit. No, you can't see it. I'll try to take a picture. God damn. Oh, you can see it right there. You can see this.
Best video ever.
Damn, you can't even see it that much on the camera.
Yeah.
But you can see it from right here. Let me see. Oh, well, you can see it good. You see it here?
I can't really tell on my phone.
No, you can't tell here. Well, right here you can. Let me see. This close to it? Okay. Yeah, you can see it right there. Yes, sir. Right there you can see it a lot. They get the point. I'll just record
That one.
Oh yeah, baby, I like it when you give me some wet stuff. This looks backwards.
No, it's my drill bits.
And the drill.
That shit fucking kick back in the bench, right? Yeah, you know this over there? I do drink water. Special occasions.
Today's a special occasion. Yes, he's getting a K.
What the fuck is that burger back there?
barely under that bitch.
Okay, go over here.
Alright. It's the cardboard.
You sure? Lock it, that's just straight, nigga.
Check it out. Push it in. Shove that bitch in. Be careful, you don't hit that. Now lower it. Come on.
You could. This car's going from a fucking.
Tieto to not so much of a tieto.
Oh my lord.
I didn't even see that it was stuck up there.
Yo!
It's gonna become a Super Saiyan God, nigga, right now.
Por favor.
You're watching that side?
Me.
Huh?
You're watching that side over there?
Recorded.
Right there. Right there, guy. Like a rocket ship. It's like Christmas morning.
Yeah, bro.
Gonna make so much power with these headers.
Oh my god.
This nigga was supposed to fix this shit. He never fixed that.
Okay.
Did he? No, he didn't fix that shit. That mount.
Oh,
You see that? You see the tornillo? Look, bro. This thing only has one fitting. It's open headers, that's why.
Déjalo así, ¿no?
Oye. Open.
Yo, look good. A lot of rice.
Boom! My watch fell off.
I got AC in my whip, right? I
Don't sit on it yet, nigga.
Now give it
Oh,
a
you got
little.
the fat person one.
For real.
That's fucked up.
Some bolts.
Alright, now sit in it.
Huh? You didn't fit in that one?
I mean, he could fit in. It just gonna be too big for him.
Try to fit it, though. It's too hot to be trying.
Wow, must be nice to have money, Yancy.
Come on, Yancy, sit down.
Hurry up, man.
Relax, yo. I gotta put the seat cushion in.
Better than the Ricardos, I heard. Bro, that shit barely fits, bro.
It's the biggest seat they have, nigga. You know I'm a giant.
He sat in and he goes, that fits me.
It hugs me, bro.
And he was like, I'm trying to get position.
Hello, I don't see nothing getting installed here. What's going on? A lot of life?
Done.
Diablo, Johnson. Isn't that supposed to sit a little bit more forward?
Just making sure everything closes properly. Huh? Just making sure everything fits properly, you know, the sides.
How can you even check if it's not even bolted on?
That's what I said.
Jesus Christ, guy, relax. I'm making sure it fits in the sides and the door closed. Time for the brackets.
Oh, you gotta use your old brackets?
Yep.
Let me show them what you did so far, Johnson. This nigga thick. All this money to be slower than me, right, Yancy?
Huh?
Ultra racing. Must be nice to have money, huh, Yancy? I got more money than you. I don't got no case swap. eBay special. Don't worry about it.
The most money, nigga.
You sure? I'm not changing fuel pumps like you are. Check out the dust this motherfucker. Wow. That's a pretty slow car, huh?
Nigga smiling.
Dusted.
Fucking cracked my fucking oil pan. What the fuck? Oh my god.